Our build collaboration in Eastside Unified is really something that it has been built for the community to be able to be a part of the process.
It is all about creating space and place for authentic community voice to come together, bring in the assets and the resources of 5 neighborhoods in East Denver in order to level the playing field so all children arrive at school healthy, ready to succeed in school and life.
By collaborating, we've seen the benefits for individual community members, but also the benefits inside the system changes. I have been surprised by how willing the health system partners are to switch from checking the box to making a difference.
When we were thinking about applying for a planning grant with Build, we had typical partners come together around a conference table and thought, okay, we'll do a planning process, we'll bring together all these leaders of different organizations in the community. And then we said, wait a minute, are we being bold at all?
It was the amazingness of coming into a room of people and saying, we have no idea what we want you to do. We have a vision and a vision only. Beyond that, it may be changed, it may be moved around, it may be this, that, and the other. But you all really have to be the ones to develop that.
I don't know if it's surprising or just continually reaffirming when you create the space for different diverse perspectives to come together, you don't know the magic that can happen.
We can see the individual benefits for people participating, of having a say, of having a place to work on the things that trouble them every day in their work or in their community. And we can see the benefits now of inputs into the system.
And really one of the most important things I think to that is literally changing the culture of the community, both people who have always been and historically are a part of that community, as well as new people coming in, being integrated in a different way.
It turns out when you turn everything on its head, it works. You invert the power structure, you invert the decision-making system, and you get results.